Linux distribution for beginners generally depends on your goals, such as daily use, learning Linux, reviving old hardware, and so on. However, the following distros are widely recommended for ease of use, strong community support, and beginner-friendly tools. 1. Ubuntu. Best for general users new to Linux coming from Windows or Mac OS. Why? Extremely popular and well-documented. Easy installation and setup. Software center for app installation like an app store. Large community, easy to find help. Desktop environment. GNOME, clean and modern. Variants. Ubuntu LTS, long-term support. Stable and supported for 5 years. Ubuntu Mokki, Xubuntu, Kubuntu. Lighter or alternative desktops. 2 Linux Mint. Best for Windows users, stability and ease of use. Why? Based on Ubuntu, so same compatibility. Cinnamon desktop is intuitive and Windows-like. Comes with most essentials pre-installed. Desktop environment. Cinnamon, default. MATE or XFCE. Mint is often considered the best it just works distro for new users. 3 Zorin OS. Best for Windows or Mac OS switchers, schools, offices. Why? Very polished and modern UI. Zorin Appearance Tool lets you make it look like Windows or Mac OS. Built on Ubuntu equals easy compatibility. Additions, Core, free. Light, for old personal computers. Pro, paid. 4. Pop! OS by System 76. Best for tech-savvy beginners, developers, gamers. Why? Clean GNOME-based user interface with tiling window manager. Built-in power profiles and GPU switching, great for laptops and gaming. Based on Ubuntu. Great for using Linux for work or school. 5 Elementary OS. Best for Mac OS users, minimalists. Why? Mac OS-like design, very clean and pretty. Focus on simplicity and user experience. Some limitations, unless you are okay with using terminal for advanced tasks. Caution, some apps and settings are a bit locked down.